Hello everybody, welcome back. My name is Alan Qureshi, and what I will do today is introduce you one of the particular features of mySpaceWorks, that is the Autodiscovery. Just to explain you briefly what's the use case of this specific functionality. When you come with mySpaceWorks, in many occasions you install mySpaceWorks in a situation where there are already existing sites, either because they are already there, or in many occasions those sites are created because of the existing process in place in the organization, maybe through ServiceNow or another mechanism that is not actually using the self-service site provisioning. In this case, what you want to do, you want to make sure that those sites are somehow brought under the control of the lifecycle management, and on top of that, to make them social. So this is actually what the Autodiscovery is allowing you to do. Let me show you briefly how it's working. So the first thing I will do, I will create a new site. So I will create a new site, an out-of-the-box ideation project. I will use a blank site, and I use a OOB ideation project, and I create the site. So the site is now created. What I will do before closing it, I will edit the page, and I will add one web part. I will add the whole web part just for you, just to give a bit of a flavor to this site. But still, I'm not unable to retrieve this site because the site has not been discovered yet. So what I will do, the first thing I will do is I will run a timer job that actually is running daily, but you can run it on other frequency, of course, to discover the site. So the moment I do that, what happens is that for Xanadu, that is actually part of the administrator group, something is happening. Because when you will go to the task, you see that now it's 8, there is a task on this that is actually telling me that a site has been recognized and is actually ready to be brought under the control of the lifecycle management. And here you can configure how many you can discover per day, because maybe you don't want to receive too many tasks at the same time, so really to slice it as you want. What I will do, I will add the properties. So we'll go here and put the description. I say this is a project, so I associate the type of template I'm using and the start date, and I do add. By doing add, what simply happens is that now the site has been added. So if I go here now on Spaces and I put OOB and I search, I see that now my project, OOB ideation project, is approved. And you see that now, because I've done that, that was a site that was before not totally unmanaged. Now I have the moderator, I have the project, I have a validity that has been associated based on the type of template I've associated to it, the quota. But in this case, the membership is mastered directly by Sharepoint because it was a site not created through mySpaceWorks. And I still have the actions for quota and so on. Still not yet active because the other scheduler has to go through. Now the project has been, OB ideation project is now there. So is now available and I can access it. Now Xanadu, I'm not sure is a member, probably will get an access denied. No, I can access it. So you see now I have the wall. So the wall that before was not active because actually was not linked to mySpaceWorks is now active, and I can post something and say hi there, just to show you how it's working, and actually the post is there. But if I go now back to mySpaceWorks on the activities, I see that actually now the post is federated. It's federated into mySpaceWorks, into the wall, and actually the site I can decide to follow, unfollow, and to do everything I want to do as a normal site I have created through mySpaceWorks. So, and this is quite useful because it really allows you to import and to bring under control any existing sites, to make them social, and even to use then other particular features, other web parts like the membership and so on, that allows us to see who are the members and not using people and groups or very not user-friendly interfaces. That's it for the Autodiscovery. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to contact me. You can easily reach me on my email, so alan.qureshi, QURESHI @myteamworks.com, or you can follow us on Twitter, on LinkedIn. There is a LinkedIn group. There is a Facebook. Even on Facebook you can find us there, or on YouTube on any follow-up videos. So thank you very much, and see you soon.